We really better not wait any longer, Papa. We have to get down to the shelter.
Very well. But I am hungry. I'll do the bomb before we go.
Well, I don't understand why that warden doesn't come back with the sandwiches.
Even with white bread, with no pickle. Oh, thank goodness.
Just put the food here with... Oh, who are you? What do you want? Well, what is it?
I'm Tully Bascom, and this is Will Buckley. Is that Dr. Cokins?
Yes, I am.
Oh, how nice. We just took a chance, and here you are.
You didn't bring my sandwiches?
Sandwiches? No, sir. We've come to capture you.
Is this some kind of a joke? What are those uniforms? You're not wardens.
No, miss, we're soldiers. I haven't got time to explain now, but we're at war with America. We came over here to surrender, and now I think if we take Dr. Cokins back with us, we shall be in a much better bargaining position. That is it in brief.
They're both crazy.
Yes. Phone the police. Call the army.
That's no use, sir. Everybody's on the ground. What's that on the table?
It's a coffee percolator.
Coffee percolator.
Is it? I've never seen an American percolator. What do I push?
Don't push anything.
I think that's the cue bomb.
Yes.
Small, isn't it?
It's my portable.
Well.
We better take it along too, Tully.
Yes, that's a very good idea, Will.
Corporal!
Well, shall we go, sir?
You leave my father alone.
Oh, you're his daughter. Oh, well, you better come along as well.
Look, I don't think you know what you're doing.
Helen, no violence, please. The bomb now. Mr. Grand Marshal, please permit me to dismantle it first.
I'm sorry, sir, we haven't time. How do I carry it?
Carefully. Mr. Constable, don't stumble. Don't fall, because if you fall, all of America falls with you.
I see.